First, we are going to soak gelatin in water and leave it for at least a minute. So now we are going to melt the gelatin first. Gelatin is melted. Now I'm going to add my white chocolate inside. If you don't like too much chocolatey white chocolate taste, you can avoid white chocolate also. Nicely melt your chocolate. Once your chocolate is melted, add cream cheese, sugar, and combine evenly. So once your cream cheese is combined, now we are going to fold our whipping cream inside. So we are going to first add a layer of sponge fingers dipped in coffee syrup. I'm going to add a good amount of Nutella on top of this. Base tiramisu mousse, you're going to add it on top of Nutella. If you want, you can add one more layer in between sponge fingers also. Now I'm going to rest this in fridge for 4 hours before demolding.